We've got a good one for you. You can actually see the reflection of the other person in the water. Are you ready, sir?
Yeah.
All right. Oh! Oh, you have a blue thumb.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Excited.
Woo-hoo-hoo. That's really cool.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome to Corby's Corner Science. Today we're doing a science video.
Yeah, science. We're here all about science, aren't we?
Yeah.
Today, we've got a good one for you. It's a snowstorm in
a jar.
In a jar. A snowstorm in a jar. This is going to be a cool one. We saw it and we thought it was the coolest thing, so we want to share it with you guys. So there's not too much to it. We have a container, and this right here, non-toxic paint, white paint in some water. And we just mixed a little bit in there, just enough so it kind of looks milky. Food coloring, and then this, we have baby oil. Can you hand me that glitter there? Oh, thank you, Dr. Corby. And we have glitter. We got some glitters. And we got other sparkles. Can you grab those? Can you get them? Oh, there it is. Sparkles. We got some more glitters. And grab me some of those. Those are some Alka-Seltzer tablets. We're going to do some interesting stuff, aren't we? It's going to look like a funky snowstorm thing. Like that. Can you do that? Yeah! And that's what our snowstorm is going to look like. So the first thing that we're going to do
is this baby oil.
We're going to grab the baby oil
and put it in
and we're going to put about 3/4 full, maybe a little less. Pour it in. Ooh, my goodness. We're going to pour about, let's do, that looks like a good amount right there. And now, we have to pour in the white water. Can you do it? Be gentle. Pour it in really gently. Got it? Oh, look at that stuff go. Keep pouring. Ooh, look at that. All right. Yeah, it looks like all these little white bubbles up here. Should we do some glitter in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Little bit. Wow. Okay. So let that stuff fall down. Ooh, look at it falling down. Oh, my goodness. Look at that.
It's a snowstorm.
So now we're going to take out the Alka-Seltzer and we're going to watch a party happen in that jar. All right. Are you ready, sir?
Yeah.
All right. Drop them all in. We're going to get another one. Look at it go. Put those in. Put those in. Oh my goodness, look at it go. The strands coming down. All the glitters sparkling all over. You want to add a color to it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's add red. What do you think? Okay, gotta drop some over here. Good job. Now, because it's gonna mix it all up. There's some more. And then it's gonna get going. Do some more. Look at that. It's got like red bubbles coming up. Drop them in. Quick. Oh, now it's all pink. Look at that. It turned pink. So what happens if you put blue in it? All right. Now, let's see what happens. Now it's got some blue ones in there. got all sorts of different colors. Look at them. Look at there. Oh!
Let's do more of this.
Oh, now it's purple. Look, it's turning purple, guys. Looks like all the glitter went to the top. We got lots of glitter at the top. Ah, be careful. Glitter doesn't go away.
I have to touch it.
Whoosh. Ooh, got glitter all over. We have a couple of more. Maybe we should just add the food coloring right to the water. What do you think?
Yeah, what?
Yes? Okay. But first, we have to fill these up with our baby oil. Get this one going. And now,
What?
we've got the water.
And put it in there.
And we're going to put the water in clear, and then we're going to drop in a bunch of food coloring.
Yeah.
Yeah! Oh, you have a blue thumb! We'll pour in some water. Ooh, pour in some water here. We're going to add...
Add food coloring.
Okay, we got the blue. Ooh, that blue looks cool. Ooh. And we got red going on, and it's got a... Oh, look at it going in. So this is something that's really cool that we found out. If you just have the oil and the water in there, that if you're on the other side, you can actually see the reflection of the other person in the water, like you're seeing right now. And that's really cool. On the count of three.
3.
On the count of 3, we're going to put them in there.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go! Oh my goodness, this is going to be huge. There they go. Look at that. Look at it go.
More here.
Oh, that one looks cool. Yours looks cool. Oh, yours is going to spill over too. I think mine's going to spill over too. Yours won. Oh, it's all over the place. Ah! Look at it go. Woo-hoo-hoo. But look at how much blue came out on yours. That's pretty awesome, bud. Are these pretty awesome?
Yeah.
We're going to do some more experimenting, and we're going to come up with some really cool ones, and we're going to share those with you too. All right, guys, what do you think? What was your favorite one that we did here? Why don't you tell us in the comments below? So get out there, go explore nature, go try new things.
Bye.
Bye-bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss anything.